Chang, Vice President of Development at Westlake Urban. We're here at the 520 South El Camino building in San Mateo. Westlake Realty Group is a family business. It was actually founded by my grandfather back in the early 70s.
Well, the major renovation for this property started with Westlake actually just wanting to do their 9th floor space and updating it.
And we basically took it from a Class C office building up to a premier Class A office building.
Addressing the amenities in this building to kind of look at the shifts in the work life that's happening right now. We wanted to create a lot of open spaces and a lot of communal spaces, but have them large into where people could really expand and use the space.
Beautiful lighting was something that we really focused on. The piece, the yellow goat piece, is absolutely stunning. It's one of the biggest focal points of the lobby, especially as you drive along El Camino. The piece just shines through the floor-to-ceiling panel windows. It absolutely brings in the attention of future tenants and your existing tenants.
Yeah, as an architectural designer, we definitely want architectural lighting, designed lighting, sculptural lighting that no one else has, because we want Westlake Urban to feel that this is their lobby. This lobby is specific to them and their company, and that fixture goes along with it. Designing with Yellow Goat is a special experience because you can take something that they've already created and you can kind of make it your own or come up with something brand new. So we got to play, have fun, come up with something cool and new, but also have Yellow Goat alongside with us.
If I could describe the Yellow Goat OO fixture in 3 words, it would be stunning, sparkly, eye-catching.